Siddarth Gauns Dessai, after counting, he has got 16 valid votes. The total number of votes received by Mr. Siddarth is 16. Luisa Antonio Pereira E. Rodriguez, 12 Benauli, she has got 9 votes, valid votes. Total votes she has got 19. So, majority of the votes is received by Shri Siddarth Gauns Dessai 16, and 9 is the total count of votes received by Luisa Antonio Pereira Rodriguez. So I declare Shri Siddarth Gauns Dessai elected as Adhyaksh of the South Goa Jilla
असं काय साठी